Imagine a world where distance is no barrier, where you can travel instantaneously from one place to another with just a thought. Welcome to the frontier of teleportation, where science fiction meets reality. For years, this concept has fascinated us, gracing the silver screens and pages of novels, leaving us wondering, dreaming. From the iconic Beam Me Up Scotty of Star Trek to the mind-bending portals of Doctor Strange, teleportation has indeed become a cornerstone of our popular culture. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of reality, promising a future where the impossible becomes possible. Yet one question lingers in our minds, a question that scientists have been toiling over for decades. But is teleportation more than just a Hollywood fantasy? Could it be within our grasp? Teleportation isn't just a sci-fi trope. It's a real phenomenon that's been studied and theorized by scientists for years. As wild as it sounds, teleportation is all about the bizarre and fascinating world of quantum mechanics. Here, particles can seemingly be in two places at once, and information can be sent instantly across colossal distances. This phenomenon is known as quantum entanglement, a kind of superglued relationship where particles become intertwined, mirroring each other's states instantaneously, no matter how far apart they are. Now, you might be wondering how this links to teleportation. Well, quantum teleportation is a process that exploits the rules of quantum entanglement to transmit information from one location to another. It's like faxing, but on a quantum level. The information of one particle is instantaneously teleported to its entangled partner, no matter the distance between them. But has this been achieved in real life? The answer is yes, albeit on a minuscule scale. Scientists have successfully managed to teleport tiny particles known as photons across labs and even open spaces. And while we're not quite at the stage of teleporting humans, these experiments are a significant leap in the right direction. From the teleportation of photons across laboratories to the transmission of quantum bits in cutting-edge quantum networks, scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The journey towards teleportation is a fascinating one, and we're only just scratching the surface. Teleportation could revolutionize communication, transportation, and even medicine, allowing us to teleport information and maybe even objects across the globe in an instant. Imagine a future where you could send a physical gift to a loved one halfway across the world in the blink of an eye. A future where organ transplants are delivered instantly, saving countless lives. A future where you could travel to any destination without leaving your living room. This might sound like a far-off dream, but the groundwork is already being laid. Scientists are making significant strides in teleporting particles and information. Quantum networks are being developed that could transmit data faster and more securely than ever before. This isn't just about speed, but about fundamentally changing the way we interact with the world. But what about teleporting larger objects, or even humans? Well, that's a whole different ballgame. We're still in the early stages of understanding the complexities and challenges involved. The human body is made up of a staggering number of particles, each needing to be perfectly reassembled at the destination. It's a daunting task, but one that scientists are excited to tackle. The road to teleportation is filled with unknowns and challenges, but every great journey starts with a single step. And we've taken more than just a few. While we're still far from teleporting humans, the possibilities are limitless, and the journey of discovery is just beginning. Join us on a journey beyond the realms of science fiction, where the impossible becomes possible and the future unfolds before our eyes. We've glimpsed into the enigma of teleportation, from its concept and science to its future. A world where particles and information travel instantaneously, no longer confined by distance. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey of discovery has only just begun. Teleportation, is it a reality or just sci-fi? Let's find out together.